Hey guys, and welcome back to Kyro's workshop. Just like the title in this video says, I'm making Sloth for the next scene. To be honest, I usually don't create concept art for my characters, but this was a tough one. I have cleared what I want to do for gluttony, envy and greed, but Sloth took me a lot of time to figure out, cause I didn't want to make a fat lazy sleeping doll. For my take on Sloth, I wanted to create some kind of a demonic, broken, rusted statue. For this project I'm using Rochelle. I got myself a Dremel, finally. So I cut off both of her legs off camera and also the right arm. To connect her limbs again, I'm going to use some wire. For the thigh, I'm twisting the wire for it to bond better with the hot glue. To make her look like a statue, I'm going to give her a silver paint vase. Later, with my trusty graphite paint, I'll trace some lines on the entire body and face. For the rusty appearance, I'm layering some patches using copper paint. And to finish everything, I'll use emerald paint to accentuate the rust. The face is going to be very simple. As you can see on the video, I gave her pupils, but they were looking really sloppy, so I erased them at the end. Off camera, I'll blush the face with a little bit of pastel to create depth. I want her to look like she's trapped in this spiky metal wire, and since it doesn't exist any scaled spiky wire, and it would be dangerous to use, I'll make my own. That is actually quite dangerous also. Ask my fingers. For this I'm going to need thick wire and a very thin also. Using the thick wire and with the help of my jewelry pliers, I'll twist a small loop. And with the regular pliers I'm pressing the loop so that the spikes pop out. Take a long piece of thin wire. Fold it in half. And twist it. Take a spike, insert it into one of the ends and twist it again to secure it. And we'll repeat everything depending on how long you want the wire to be. For the creepy factor of this doll, I'll mark some lines with a pen, which I'm going to cut with an X-Acto knife. I'll also open her mouth and I'll stretch it with my pliers. I really want this doll to look like she's falling into pieces. Why am I cutting the head, you ask? Well, because I want to surround it with my spiky wire, of course. Once I'm done, I'm painting all the edges to cover up the plastic. For her clothing, I'm just giving her a long loincloth. I cut a rectangular piece of fabric that I'm going to distress. And later, with black diluted paint, I'll age it a little bit. Once dry, I'm hot gluing it directly on the doll. I seriously can't believe that I got myself a Dremel and totally forgot to remove the molded panties, but oh well. To seal the deal, I'm going to use more wire to surround her torso. I'm taking advantage of the holes that were meant for the wings. And I'm done! I added some stains to the eyes, nose, and mouth. I believe these stains appear on the statues with time, thanks to the exposure to rain. I really love how creepy she looks, and I believe it's a great addition to my demonic family. What do you think about Sloth? Let me know in the comment section, well, if it's there. And as always, remember to like, share, and join to the workshop by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next time. Kyro out!